Hello, TD Garden. This is Arup. Today, I wanted to talk to you about how you automatically create a survey invitation, a record in a survey invitation object. Now, there are many ways to to create a record in survey invitation object, right? You can use automation tools like flows, process builders. You can mass upload your CSVs. It's up to you. But one key thing to understand is that once the survey invitation record gets created, the invitation link, by the way, automatically gets created for you, and this is the key part in your understanding. I think that's where we left off last time. Is you basically Marketing Cloud needs this invitation link to be sent as a part of your blasting of your email to all your contacts. So let's talk about that in a little bit, and I'll show my automation again. I want to repeat this again. You have to create a survey invitation, a record in a survey invitation object. Once you create a survey record in a survey invitation object, Salesforce automatically creates this invitation link for you. You don't have to create this. Okay, so in my scenario, let me describe my scenario. It's a very simple scenario that I have. Is imagine, in my case, I have a survey which is a store scoring survey. Basically, what it does is that all the account reps, they are responsible for scoring a store. So this is my account owner. Every time they update this field in an account record to send survey, a survey goes out to this account owner. So imagine if thousands of these account reps are updating this one, thousands of emails will go out, and each of them will get email something like this. Hey, please take 2 minutes to answer this, and this is to begin. Okay, basically it is coming from here. So in my case, I have two entities. One is a flow builder and one is a process builder. The process builder, responsibility of the process builder is just to send an email, nothing else. In your case, think of this as a Marketing Cloud. The flow builder is responsible. It's looking at the accounts every time an account gets updated. If this is the condition, you'll see it's send survey. Okay, what it does is that it goes and creates, first of all, it goes and finds out the account owner email and puts it into variable, and then it goes look up the survey. In my case, it's a store scoring survey, which is this one. Okay, and then it goes and creates a survey invitation record. This is the key. So what I'm using to create the survey invitation records is a community ID, email, the name. It's a formula field. Allow guest, collect anonymous response, and the survey ID is the survey ID that I got from my lookup survey. Then I assign some variables to create my survey subject record and create a survey subject record. Okay, so what are the two things that I did over here is figure out the account, figure out the email that you need to send to. When I create my survey invitation record, I pump that account owner's email into that record, which you saw over here. I create that. So you see there's flexibility in creating your survey invitation link. You can extend it if you want to. All right. And then you create a survey subject. So survey invitation link, the survey invitation object is responsible for the participants. Who are you sending the survey to? That is stored in the survey invitation. That is key for you. And the survey subject will be, now that you know who you have sent it to, this survey is associated to which object. In your case, it will be contact. It could be account, it could be a case, it could be anything. Okay. So, and these are the two definitions of these. Survey invitation record represents the invitation that it's been sent to, and the survey subject is this. Okay. So let's see this in action. Now, again, repeating it again, the way I am creating the survey invitation, you could very well go ahead and create it using a CSV. Basically, if you store these values in a CSV, if you know all these values, create hundreds and thousands of records in a CSV, dump it in Salesforce, your survey invitation record will be created. Okay, you could also do it through Apex. It's up to you. So just to make you understand that this is the survey invitation object I'm tracking. There are 26 records. If I run it again, how many records do I have? It should be 27 because I was testing it one. Right, it's 27. So let's go ahead and put it onto Lincoln Boulevard. I'll update it to something else first because otherwise it will not go. Okay, not started. Fantastic. How many records do I have? It should still be tracking at 27. Brilliant. All right, so let's go ahead and update this into send status. Fantastic. At this point of time, my flow got triggered because it was tracking. If I run this query again, it should be 28. It is 28. This is the Lincoln Boulevard is the one. And you see this, the survey invitation link is automatically generated for you. And I should have got an email as well. If I go back here, there is my email. Okay. Now, what I would advise you, because this is automatically generated for you, instead of appending each of these records with ampersand email equals something, I would advise you suck this data into your marketing cloud, have in your data extension these values, and then you can append that over there, because it will be easy for the journey. If you're building a journey in order to blast these emails out to each of these contacts in your data extension, the journey builder will be able to take a look at the data extension, able to select each of these individual links from those data extension records and blast it out. Okay, so hope that helps. Ping me for any questions you have, but this is something that I wanted to share with you. Thank you.